In this video, you will learn how to add custom font in Mailchimp. First, select your custom font. Choose the font that you want to use from a reliable source, such as Google Fonts or a licensed font file. Host the font online. Upload your font file to the web access server or file hosting service that provides a unique or public link. Create or open a HTML email template. In Mailchimp, start a new campaign or edit an existing one using the code your own or hit custom HTML option. Insert the font into your custom template style section. Add the necessary font settings within the system area to your email HTML template. Apply the font text elements. Use the chosen font through your email content to assign it to a specific text section. Test and preview your email. Send a test email to see how your font will appear across different email clients and how it will look. Always include fallback fonts for compatibility. Now you know how to add custom fonts in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.